Welcome user. In the last video we have seen working of logistic regression. In this video we are going to see some rarely used regression algorithms. Support vector machine, decision tree and random forest. These are the algorithms we can use for regression as well as classification problems. These algorithms are called as the CART models. The full form of CART is classification and regression techniques. CART models we use rarely for the regression analysis. So in this video, we are directly going to implement regression use cases in the MATLAB. So let us implement rarely used regression algorithms. Under the workspace window, you can see imported dataset. We have already discussed about this MBA dataset. So in this dataset, we are going to predict GMAT score based upon the respective work experience. First section of the code will remove unnecessary ID column. In the second section of the code, you can see the function fit_r_svm. Fit_r_svm will create the regression model. In the third section of the code, you can see I have created decision tree regression model. And in the last section of the code, you can see random forest regression model. The discussion about the support vector machine, decision tree and random forest we are going to see in the next chapter. So this is how we can use rarely used regression models. These algorithms are not useful in most of the practical cases, so we are not going to discuss more about these algorithms. This will end our video and chapter. In this chapter, we have completed regression problems. From the next video, we are going to start classification analysis. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments and get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future. MATLAB is our feature. Happy MATLABing.